Hello guys, tonight I will try to remove these bolts from this wheel. I want to separate the engine, motors and wheels from this Dualtron Ultra 2. I will need to heat up this place here where bolts go from other side. You need too much heat, much to heating this part, so inside Loctite can be released, so I could unscrew this bolts. Now also impossible to remove these. I'm twisting my tool. This tool is very good, it's professional Junior tools. Also I pressed the brake. I put the zip ties on my front brake so my front tires cannot spin. Next I will heat up with this tool. This is the complete set. Heat gun with open fire. I will put on my custom stand for recording. Now I will try to record everything to show you how to unscrew these bolts. You need to heat up these parts 60 seconds and more. Be careful not to damage your tires. Okay, I'm in the process of heating. And this is my first tool which I will try to remove. Also, this is my backup tool. You need much heating this part here where bolts go inside. Oh, I made it. I will turn off this and I will unscrew original factory bolts to separate motor from rims. Here we go. This is original bolt. I succeed in unscrewing. Now you need to heat up every bolt separately and unscrew it. Now I will try the second bolt. This one here. Okay. Original bolt is almost impossible, but oh, this one goes very well. Wow, great. I will mark this one. It's complete. Try now other one. Third one. No, this is hard one. No way. Without stripping the bolts, you can unscrew it. You need to heat up 1 to 2 minutes per bolt. Oh, great. One more is done.